and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I feel like I'm racing with time and trying to catch the light. I am not a fan of this time change. It's 3:30 p.m. and it's almost dark outside. What is going on? I have no idea. So today I'm sharing with you another backdrop, and this one is kind of similar to one of the video that I uploaded, I believe about like a month ago or so with Christmas ornaments. This one, I'm taking a different spin on Christmas ornaments and tulle. So if you want to see what's going on, how I did this backdrop, then stay tuned and let's get to it. For this backdrop, I will be using probably two colors or three colors, darker and a lighter purple colors, also this pink color, some of the black tulle that I will link a link for it in the description down below, and here's more purple ornaments. What you need to do is you need to take your tulle and cut a lot of different lengths tulle strips. I want to focus all of my ornaments and all of my tulle strips closer to the top, maybe a few going down, but most of my tulle and most of my ornaments will be focusing on this part. You're taking your tulle and your needle with the pearl on top, and you're gathering, like sewing, your tulle on your needle. I want to show you quickly how I will be pinning my tulle to my fabric. So I already have my needle with a tulle already gathered on my pin. I'm grabbing my fabric, going in to the fabric with my needle and coming out of the fabric. When I pull my tulle, the pin stays where it needs to be. But when I pin my pin horizontally to my vertical backdrop bar and I pull my tulle, the pin is coming out. So make sure you pin everything this way and you'll be good to go. Have all of my tulle hanged. I can always, or you can always go back and add more tulle and different length tulle. So now is a great time to start hanging your ornaments. I will be using these ornament hooks that you use to hang your ornaments on a Christmas tree. You guys, my tripod broke. I can't physically show you how I did it, but at least I can come up close and show you an up close look of how I hooked all of my ornaments to my tulle. So all I did is I gathered my tulle in a tight bunch and then took this ornament hook and hooked this tight bunch of my tulle together. That's how I hooked all of my ornaments to my tulle. I hope it makes sense, and I cannot wait for a new tripod to come in my mail. Alright you guys, so day 2. I am so frustrated, not with this backdrop, but with this time change. I can't catch the time on time for filming, and it's a little bit frustrating, but here we go. This is a day 2. I'm going to fix this section of my backdrop a little bit, maybe drop one or two lower ornaments, and we'll see how it goes. Have for you guys today. Very easy, very fast backdrop for you to do. I like the look. It's very unique and it's gonna look great on pictures as well. I will link this black tool that I used in my description down below. It will depend on you how much tool or how many strings you want to cut and how many ornaments you want to put on your backdrop. I will play with some uplighting and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my second take on Christmas ornaments and tulle as a backdrop. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you have any questions, comment below as well. And if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.